Alyssa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Click the like button just cause of the thumbnail. You clicked on this video obviously for the thumbnail. And then also turn on that notification bell so you can be notified when I post. Whenever I post, because YouTube is tripping and people on YouTube is tripping. But before I go too far, how you guys doing? How you been? Good? Hope so. Well, got some tea for y'all. All right. So I know you clicked on this video for a reason. Obviously because the thumbnail is showing that what? I'm washing my hair with palm olive oxy detergent and styling with some starch for clothes. No, I am not that thirsty for likes, views, none of that. Period. Well, however y'all say it. So I came here to vent and to spill the tea on these big influencers who like to do all of this stuff because they bored, or because they want the likes, or because they want the clout. Like, stop. What happened to being original, being, you know, that influencer that you are, and stop trying to get these kids, because kids are going to follow you either way. They're going to do what you do and they're going to see what you're doing and like, oh, you know what, I want to try it too. Like the Tide Pod thing. Everybody wanted to eat Tide Pods. Everybody wanted to lick ice cream. Dawn, yeah, I know people said, oh yeah, I used this before when I was relaxed, or blah blah blah, to get oil out, but your hair is never that dirty to use dish detergent. There is so many shampoos out available that you can use to clean your hair. So why would you want to use Dawn dish detergent? I'm confused. This don't even go just for beauty bloggers. This goes for every YouTuber that's out right now following each other for clout. All you see, oh, let the person order in front of me 500 times. Oh, let the person order what I ordered, whatever, 500 times. Over and over and over. And it's so hard for people who's original to do things, because people doing stupid things for activity and for clout are getting more views than people who wants to be original and be themselves. So how do we fix this? What do we do? There's no way, because this generation is just full of followers. Nobody wants to be their self. I'll be myself. I want to be myself. I'm not following no trends. I don't want to follow no trends. It's stupid. And I'm not the only person that feels this way. I also posted on my Instagram, if you don't follow me, which is naturally inspired 18. I'll have that link down below so you can give me a follow, you know, because I vent. I say what's on my mind. I say what needs to stop. Small or big influencer or not, it needs to stop. But anyway, there's other people who feel the same. And if you feel the same way, let me know. Comment down below. Or if you think I'm wrong, which I shouldn't be wrong, but if I am, whatever, comment down below why I'm wrong. And some of you may know or may not know who I'm talking about. I'm not bashing anybody, if that's what you think I'm doing. I mean, yeah, I'm not bashing anybody, but still, some things a line gotta be drawn, because then guess what? Somebody gonna try to use laundry detergent, Clorox bleach. Somebody said borax, whatever, for bacteria for your skin. Like, come on. This gotta stop. Seriously. Just if, like, yeah. And then there was another one using body lotion. Body lotion. You know, body lotion that has a lot of chemicals, alcohol and whatnot in it. Okay. Yeah. Again, like I said, before this gets out of hand, it needs to stop. Now. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, now. Yeah, more like yesterday, but still, it needs to stop. Anyways, if you like to know what I used in my hair to get this style, you know, cute or whatever, but if you would like to know how I got this style, check out my page, my Instagram page at that. I'll have that link down below, like I said, and I'll give you the full details. And it doesn't include Dawn dish detergent, it doesn't include body lotion, it doesn't include starch or whatever, no Clorox bleach. It's a good product. Anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell wherever it may be, turn it on, and follow me on my Instagram. I'll have all of that link down below, and I hope to see you guys soon. But make sure you share it, you know, let people know they need to stop. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.